Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is n to the power of 3 and this equals 1 over 64. We are solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. So, we have power 3 here already. Then, we need to express each of these terms in terms of power of 3. If I have 1, I can easily express it as 1 power 3 because 1 is the same thing as 1 power 3. And 1 power 3 is 1. If I have 64, I can express it as 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So this is like writing 4 power 3. So I'm going to have n power 3 equals, instead of writing 1, I have 1 power 3 divided by, instead of writing 64, I have 4 power 3. Now recall, if you have a power c divided by b power c equals a divided by b all power c. So I apply this identity here. I have n power 3 equals 1 over 4 all power 3. Now I can move this over here. I have n power 3 minus 1 over 4 raised to the power of 3, and this equals 0. So I have power 3. I have power 3 here. Now what I'm going to do will be to expand using the identity of a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. In this case, my a is n and b is 1 over 4. So let's apply this. We are going to have, instead of my a, we'll have n minus, this is 1 over 4 times, this is n power 2 plus ab n times 1 over 4 plus b power 2, 1 over 4 to the power of 2. This equals 0. So right now, I'm simply going to have n minus 1 over 4 times, this is n squared plus n times 1. That is n over 4 plus 1 power 2. 1 divided by 4 power 2, 16. And this equals 0. So from here, I'm going to equate each of these to 0. I have n minus 1 over 4 equals 0. And also have n squared plus n over 4 plus 1 over 16 equals 0. So right now, I have this and this other equation. So let's solve each of them. To solve this, I move this 1 over 4 over here. Have n equals 1 over 4. This becomes one of my solutions. This is my n1. Let's solve this other quadratic equation. And to solve it, I can find the common LCM, but let me recopy it. I have n power 2 plus n over 4 plus 1 over 16 equals 0. This is over 1. The common LCM here is 16. I have 16 divided by 1, 16 times n squared. 16 n squared plus 16 divided by 4 times n. 4n plus 16 divided by 16, 1 times 1, I have 1. And this equals 0. So this is over 1. I cross multiply. From here, I have 16n squared plus 4n plus 1 equals 16 times 0. That is 0. So I'm going to solve this quadratic equation. Now, what we are going to do is to make use of the formula method. We are going to write the formula in respect to n. I have n equals negatively plus or minus square root of a squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. 16 is my a, 4 is my b, 1 is my c. So from here, I have n equals negative b, negative 4 plus or minus square root of b squared, 4 power 2 minus 4 times 16 times 1 divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 16. So from here, I will simply have n equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 16, that is 64, divided by 2 times 16, 32. From here, I have n equals negative 4 plus or minus. So we have square root of 16 minus 64 minus 48 divided by 32. From here, I have n equals negative 4 plus or minus this minus here, I have square root of negative 1 times square root of 48 divided by 32. So from here, I have n equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of this is I, of I times square root of 48. 48 is 16 times 3 divided by 32. So from here, I have n equals this is negative 4 plus or minus I times square root of 16, 4 root 3 divided by 32. So from here, 4 cancel itself once, cancel this one, cancel this, we have what that will be 8, right? I think it's 8. Okay, so from here we have n equals this is negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 8. So we can factor out 1 over 8. We have n equals 1 over 8 of negative 1 plus or minus I root 3. I have two complex values for n. I can have my n2 equals 1 over 8. This is 1 over 8 of negative 1 plus I root 3. Then I also have n3 equals 1 over 8 of negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are two complex value solutions, and we also have one real solution, which is n equals 1 over 4. So guys, if you want to check, you have n equals 1 over 4, you can easily insert this value for n right here. You have n power 3 equals 1 over 64. So you have n equals 1 over 4. You have 1 over 4 to the power of 3 equals 1 over 64. So from here, you can distribute this to each of the terms right here. You have 1 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 equals 1 over 64. Remember, if you have a divided by b raised to the power of c equals a power c divided by b power c. So that means you are simply going to have 1 power 3 is 1 divided by 4 power 3 is 64. That is 4 times 4 times 4. And that is 1 divided by 64. Both sides are the same. So guys, that shows that the solution is correct. And at this particular point, we can run a quick recap on how you can actually solve, how we solve this. The first step is we realize that we have power of 3 here. So you need to express this in the same power, which is 3. So I raise 1 to the power of 3, which is the same thing as 1. I raise 4 to the power of 3, which is the same thing as 64. So that gave us this. I made use of this identity. You can take out this exponent because they are common and have it here. At this point, I need to form a cubic equation and move this over here. It becomes minus. Then I use this identity in order to expand. in which my a is n and b is 1 over 4. From there, I inserted them right here. I have this equation. I equated each part to 0. I have a linear equation here, which gave me the first reduced solution, which is 1 over 4. I have a quadratic equation here, but for me to solve, I need to find a common LCM, which is 16 in this particular case. After dividing each through the common LCM, I have this quadratic equation, which is 16n squared plus 4n plus 1 equals 0. I had to solve it using the formula method. I inserted the values for a, b, and c, which can easily be gotten from this quadratic equation. So I have them all here inserted. Then my quadratic equation, I solved and I broke it down till I got these complex solutions, which is n equals this, I have n2 equals this, and n3 equals this. So that was exactly what I did, and I've gotten all my solutions. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it, guys. I believe you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you, and see you again.